You know that feeling? You get a rejection, someone said, no, I don't want to work with you. And suddenly all those fears and doubts creep in. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 quick tips on what you can do to avoid and get rid of self-doubt as a small business owner when you're selling a service that you offer. My name's James White. I'm a small business expert, going to give you the tips, tools and ideas you need to learn how to avoid self-doubt and make your business a success that you want it to be. If you enjoy the video, like it. If you really enjoy it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get you into the tips and make sure that we get rid of that self-doubt and get you as a business owner feeling great about the service you sell. So tip number one is this: try not to worry about what others think to you. I always encourage the people I work with to look at life and people they get opinions from like an onion. In the core, the 1 and 2 layer of the onion are the people that are most important to you, that you'd call in the event of a major problem or an issue in your life. If these people aren't in that place, don't worry about what they think. They're not close to you, they're not going to be there for you in the event of a problem, therefore don't let their opinions affect what you do as a business. Point number 2 is this: it's normal, it happens. I've had this issue before. Jack behind the camera will have had it, Monya, whoever else, and people I work with and talk to on a regular basis have all had that moment of rejection when someone says no, they don't want to work with them. And just accept that it's part of business life. It doesn't mean to say you're bad, it doesn't mean to say you're rubbish at what you do, it's just part of what the journey and trials and tribulations of being a small business owner. When you learn to accept it and accept that everyone goes through it and you're not unique, it'll start to hopefully make you feel better. I guarantee every business owner, even the most successful business owner in the world, have had some sort of rejection and moments of self-doubt. Embrace it, accept it. More importantly, let's see how we can move on from it. Point number 3 is this: if it starts to happen on a regular basis, maybe once a week or once a month, be kind to yourself and be self-aware. Look yourself in the mirror and try and find out when these elements of self-doubt happen. Is there a regular thing that happens to cause you to feel that sort of down moment? If it is, the best way to avoid that is to write a journal. So many successful people will tell you that writing the journal 10 minutes at the start of the day, at the end of the day, on what you felt and what you thought and how you've operated that day will make a big difference to you. And you can ideally pinpoint times in that day when you felt a bit down. What was it? Was it something you ate? Was it something that happened? Was there another person you came into contact with? Try and write down and journal what's causing you to affect and feel that way. I can assure you it's going to help you then look back and see if there's any signals and prompts that make this thing happen, and we can hopefully then remove them to get rid of that self-doubt and get you in a great place for you and your business. Point number 4 is this: what's your network and the people that are surrounding you like? Are they building you up or are they knocking you down? I know that it's so important in my life to be surrounded by people that believe in what I do and I want to support and help and build me up rather than knock me down. And if I was in a position where I was surrounded by people that say, nah, it's not going to work and you're not very good and no, you can't do that, it's going to seep into your mind and affect you more than you can imagine. So have a little look at maybe the top 5 or 10 people that are involved in your day-to-day life. Are they building you up or bringing you down? If you've got more people bringing you down than building you up, you've got a problem, we've got to deal with it, because you're going to never get rid of that self-doubt while you've got other people telling you you can't do things. My tip is this: surround yourself with people that believe in you, that want the best for you, that want you to achieve, that are happy when you're successful. Do that, and when you get those moments of self-doubt, you can talk to those people, they'll act as a boost and get you back where you want to be. Point number 5 is this: get yourself a mentor or join a community that can help you in this way. Of course, I'm going to say I'm a mentor and I have an academy where I support business owners to feel good. But I believe everyone needs that support. I have a mentor, I have someone I reach out to and communities that I go to get advice. The reality is we sometimes need that support, that help, that boost to give us that feeling of, no, I can get away from where I am and move to another better place. I was with a client on Monday and I was talking to this guy, successful business, £500,000 of sales on a regular basis, but still has moments where he feels a little bit unsure about things. Guess what? He works with me, I'm a mentor, we support each other and I help boost him up so he feels great until the next month when he's able to then deal with other challenges and talk about the problems he's got. Get yourself a mentor or join a community that can spread good things and positive messages, and it's going to help you then move away from those difficult, dark moments to feel good about yourself and where your business is. So point number 6 is look at your values and what makes you happy in life. I'm here today filming at the Somerset Cooper Associates County Ground, and thanks to the team for letting me do that filming. But I'm at my happiest when I'm sitting here in one of the chair watching some cricket, when I'm on a golf course hitting some golf balls, or maybe when I'm with my family and seeing them smile and do great things. But where are you at your happiest? What are the things that you love to do? Again, I was talking to a client the other day who said they love to be in their garden every day, and planting and seeing things grow is what makes them smile. So look at your own values, look at the things that you enjoy, and write those things down. When you start looking at those things and thinking about it, you're going to feel better and hopefully get you into the right place to move on from that rejection or difficult time to a place where you want to be to get the results you want. Point number 7 is this. I want you to write down your past achievements. You might be looking at this video and saying, James, I've not done anything, I've not achieved anything. That's bollocks, I think. I bet you if you go back through your life and work out what you've achieved or what you've done, you could probably write a list of 10 to 20 things that were key moments in your life that you achieved and did something. Maybe it's when you achieved an exam result, or when you passed your driving test, or when you had your first child, I don't know. There'll be major milestones in your life that you've achieved things. And one of the challenges is that we all think we've never really done things, and yet when we look back and see what we've done a huge amount. Write that list down, because when you're feeling down, you're feeling uncertain about things, you can then go back and start to say, hey, I've actually done quite a lot here. I am more than I think, I'm better than I think. And those thoughts, those moments are going to help you come through these difficult times of self-doubt into a place where you're feeling good about yourself in the right place. The key thing is you are good. You've achieved a lot so far, and of course there's more we want to achieve, but always look back to see what you've done in order to help you move yourself forward. Point number 8 is this. Set yourself short-term goals, simple goals that you can achieve. Maybe that goal, maybe you've not been feeling great, and maybe the goal is you just want to go out for a 15-minute walk. That's cool. Write it down what you're going to do, and then actually just focus on achieving that. The dopamine in your brain when you complete a goal or complete a task that you've set yourself is an incredible feeling. And what it does is it makes the brain want to do more of those type of things. You're going to then think, well, actually, if I've done that one goal, I can do something else. When we have self-doubt, we've got to get rid of it by getting through and taking action. Write down what you're going to do, make it happen, and you'll be amazed at how good it makes you feel. Point number 9 is this, and it's really simple. Acknowledge that you're not alone. Look in the mirror and say to yourself, has anyone else experienced these issues before? The answer is they have. Reach out for help. I know as a business owner, when I feel down, I reach out to people that are in my network to support me. You need to do the same thing. You are not a superhero. You need support and help, and to be surrounded by people that can build you up. Don't try and fight things alone. If you're going through difficult moments, reach out, talk to people. Whether it's me, if you want to reach out and contact me, I'll be happy to talk to you and help you get to the place you want to be. Or join my Facebook community where we can get you to a great place surrounded by other great, enthusiastic people. The key thing is this, you're not alone. Don't try and fight the self-doubt alone. Reach out to help. There's more people there you can imagine. And the final point on this video, which is so important, is remember your why. What are you on this planet to do? What's your purpose? What's the thing that you want to look back when maybe in the tombstone of your life or when the funeral of your life happens? What do you want people to say about you? Do you want them to say, yeah, she was okay or he was okay? Or do they want them to be absolutely talking, waxing lyrical about how amazing you were and the impact you had on people's lives? Your why and what you do is what drives you. And sometimes as humans and business owners, we've got to go back to the core to work out what we really want to do to then move ourselves forward and get rid of that self-doubt and get onto the path that we know we want to achieve and that we know we can achieve. So I hope these 10 tips have given you some ideas on what you can do to avoid self-doubt as a business owner. We've all been there. I've been there. Other people I speak to that I'm mentored by and inspired by that are incredibly successful have had their knockbacks. The challenge is we can't let it affect us on a consistent basis. We've got to pick ourselves up and move on. And I want you to be able to do that so you can move on from this challenging time and get you and your business where you want it to be. If I can support you and help you, I'd love to do that. Reach out, put in the comment section below, or join my Facebook community. Let's get you that support to help you and your business thrive, grow where you want to be, and in the right position to achieve the success you want. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And let's make sure we get you and your small business feeling good about sales, feeling good about winning, and being in a position where you avoid that self-doubt, feel great about who you are and what you're going to achieve.